Yes, and the first great result, better and better. You know what else is getting better? It was been going on for some time, and actually I'm gonna need one more tool to help me make the most informed decision. The parallel channel is absolutely necessary here because see, this is really something. All right, so I'm actually going to leave some money for the insurance amount, so just $75 to start with. And you see that when I drew the parallel channel, the price has broken below it, forming a really strong downtrend. And the oscillator is also signaling a decline. So I'm going to attempt to enter on a pullback for a put option. So time to go down, time to go, and let's wait for that drop to happen. Guys, and if you need some extra support when it comes to your trading journey, I will be very, very happy to see you on my TG channel. You will find the link below this video, and that is one place where I share my top tier strategies, unique signals, and insights to help you in your trading journey. There wasn't enough time this time, but it is fine. The market can be pretty unpredictable sometimes, and you just gotta know how to deal with that. So let's try to find another entry point, and to the next bid I'm going to place 50. Well, I'm sticking to the same asset pair for now, and you know what? Yeah, well, guys, since the price held its level and didn't continue downward, I'm going to attempt a reversal trade. So I'm going to enter a call option against this initial trend and see where it takes us. All right, let's wait and see what happens. But yeah, so market can be full of surprises and they're not always pleasant, but don't let it get you down. Because the most important thing, you see what happened, you analyze it, whether it was just the market conditions, you know, they might have changed or we didn't have enough time, and you analyze it with the rational part of your brain and see what you can do next to fix it. Just don't let your emotions overtake the control of your trading journey. Yes, and the first great result, $96. Amazing. Well done. I think we are back on the right track. So let's find the next pair we can use. All right, and I'm going to place $96 this time, and I'm gonna enter a call option right away because the strong bullish trend is in place. Both SAR and Vortex confirm the uptrend, so I think we can only go up from here, and let's do it. All right, let's do it. Up and up and up and up. I wanted to tell you that I'm wearing this really cute biker's vest. I think it's biker's vest. I'm not 100% sure, but during my time in Asia, I actually managed to improve my driving skills quite a bit. You know, I always used to mess up left and right. For whatever reason, I'm pretty bad with directions and words, but it's getting better and better. You know what else is getting better? $184. I just made. Amazing. All right. I love where this is going. Despite the initial drawback, I think we are on the right path, clearly. So let's see if we can use these as a pair to make the next move. All right, and I'm going to place $140 for this next one. And see, guys, do you see it? I bet you can see it. A downtrend is forming right now, and it's seen with the SAR and the price sliding along the lower Bollinger Band. Vortex is also signaling a short, so I'm gonna enter a put option here and wait for that drop to happen. I think we are going to have enough time and enjoy the result, because that's the goal, right? It's dropping. I'm telling you, I'm just mesmerized. Like, I keep staring at it, and $268.80, let's be precise. It was worth staring at. I love this result, but this is far from the end, guys. Let's see. All right, I'm going to increase the bid, but very slightly, just $150 for this next one. And, well, let's take our time. So it's you gotta find the balance. When you see that the market is somewhat unclear, you better wait. But when you have a clear opportunity present, you just make a move and take an action. And it's time right now. So the price right now is in the local overbought zone, and I'm expecting at least a technical pullback downward. So I'm going to enter a put option here, and let's wait for that drop to happen together, okay? All right. I can see it. I can feel it. I don't want to sound esoteric because it's not about that. But I mean, being in Asia for a couple months, you know, kind of makes you speak in a certain way, like the energy, the process, the whole thing. Yes, amazing. $288. Quick and sweet, but not the end. I want to keep going, and I feel like the market will give us more opportunities. Let's see. Well, I think we need something else here. Don't be scared to use extra tools and instruments, because sometimes you just need that extra help when you're not 100% sure what's happening exactly. So I'm going to increase the bid to 200, and I added these parallel trend channels to see where the price is moving exactly. And I can see that now it's moving clearly within the channel, and that is confirmed by fractals. SAR has also given a buy signal, so I'm gonna go for a call option here, because everything points out to one direction, and that direction is upward. Okay, so let's get it. So what I was saying about driving here in Southeast Asia is actually kind of fascinating, you know. Like the other day, I mean, I don't care about like people putting the dogs on the bikes. I guess the dogs know how to behave. But when the man put the goat on the bike, I was like, what is actually happening? It's like multi-universe of craziness and absurd. $384. I want to do one more trade, although I'm really happy with the result. But I want to do one more. I think that would be a great idea if I also increase the bid to 450. Yes, it's seriously up. And let's see. All right, so you see the price broke below the middle Bollinger Band, and it is time to enter a put option. And SAR and Vortex both confirm the short position, so I think the only option here is the put option, and as we don't have any alternatives, we are going for it and waiting for that drop to happen, right? So yeah, like, you know, in comparison to the Western society with so many rules and, I mean, traffic rules are great, don't get me wrong, but you see a completely different scenery and you see a completely different environment, and I learned to get rid of my fears and to accept it and have this, you know, everything's gonna be fine. $864. Of course everything's going to be fine. What a great result and what a great session. I started small, like very, very modest. My first bid was $75 and I got over 1,000 with the right decisions, the right strategies, and the right tools. And I hope it inspires you guys to go deep into trading and enjoy the process. And if you need a little extra support and help, I will be really happy to see you in my TD channel, the link to which you will find below this video, because there I share my pro trading tips, the best top tier strategies, insights, and signals to help you get the consistent profits every time you trade. It was great seeing you. Thank you for all your love and support. That means a world to me, literally. And I can't wait to see you back here really, really soon. All right? Have an amazing week. Bye.